This is your girl, Patience Ekle Ugochukwu. You know now, I'm here again for you. And what I want to tell you about is something very interesting and very, very important. Do you know why? Because of the situation in the country right now and because of the economy. It's nothing to write home about, and all we are hoping is that something good should come out as time progresses day by day. Okay, now I know you must have heard about affiliate marketing countless times. What do you need to do? In fact, some persons don't even know the meaning of affiliate marketing. Let me just make it put it in a layman's language so you understand. In the Igbo, in the East, the Igbo people call it, is it Asa here or Osa here, something like that. But in a local market, just like in a physical market, assuming you're selling something and somebody comes to your shop to buy a particular item and you do not have the item, then you refer the person to go and get it from another shop. Depending on the quantity that the person is getting, whoever you are referring the person to go and get from his or her shop must have done an arrangement with you that if anybody comes through you to buy these items from me, I'll be giving you this percentage. I don't know if you get that. So that's what it simply means. Just like it happens in the physical place, in the physical markets and shops and offices, same thing happen online. You necessarily don't need to have a product, you don't need to create a product, you don't need to go and buy any physical product to deliver and all of that before you make money. All you need to do is to have your affiliate link, and then you promote it and market it online on social media accounts. If you have a website, or if you have a landing page, or if you have a sales funnel, whatever channel that you have online, you just market and promote it, and then the money start flowing in. And the good thing is that once the money start coming, it is for life and it never stops. You can just stay and you see money and you begin to ask yourself, where is this money coming from? You don't know, someone somewhere online somewhere, whether midnight, whether 3 a.m. or 2 a.m. or 5 a.m. or during the day, must have clicked on your link and purchased something from an affiliate link that you pasted some time ago. So that is how the money is. So now, if you're that person that is interested, I've been asking questions about affiliate marketing, there is a course that is ongoing. Okay, a market professional did that course, how he made thousands of dollars, and he has put it in writing and in videos to show you exactly how he made thousands of dollars within a speculated time. This is the reason why you need that course, because whatever is worth doing is worth doing well. When you want to go into affiliate marketing, it's good you get enough information and knowledge. Okay, this thing have a learning curve that you need to follow from one step to the other to get it right. And this course is just 50,000 naira. Yes, you heard me right. 50,000 naira is even less than $100 as we speak. If you spend it today to learn everything you need to know about affiliate marketing, then it's worth it. Don't you think so? It's worth it. So what are you waiting for? So all you need to do right now is to let me know at the comment section of this video that you want the course for the affiliate marketing. We'll just give you the link, and then you click on it and you get your course. And in the space within 24 hours, few hours, in 24 hours, you will get your course, and you will get an access to me to guide you until you start making money from the affiliate marketing course that you have gotten. Me giving you that free of charge. You don't need to pay me. You have access to call me, whether video call, voice note, chat, whatever it is. And if you're lucky enough that we are in the same location, I will oblige you the opportunity to meet with you so we can enjoy ourselves once in a while. I'm giving all that as a bonus. So 50,000 naira. If you invest it ending of this year, ask yourself, by this time next year, what will I be doing? What will 50,000 naira must have done for me by this time next year if I should sacrifice that 50,000 naira, which is just like $100 today, to learn affiliate marketing and start making money. And by this time next year, I'll be calculating the number of money, the amount of money I must have made with affiliate marketing. And the good thing is, again, is it doesn't stop you from doing every other thing. If you're working, whether a salary job, a monthly job, office, a federal government staff, a state government staff, a local government staff, your other businesses, whatever it is you're selling, does not stop affiliate marketing. Okay, so that's the good part of it. All right, this video is already lengthy, so I'm going to just add quickly, because I hope that you watch this video till the end. I want you to do one. Let me just leave it to the next video, don't worry. Okay, see you guys. As you can see, let me get back to work because there's so much to be done. My desk is filled up with a lot of clients, job, and a lot of things for me to accomplish today. Okay, bye.